Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is online business versus offline business. And the team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of offline business, and the team sitting on my left is going to speak in the favor of ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. कैमरा हिलाना था ऐसे ऐसे, मैं इसीलिए रुक रहा था. मैंने करेगी ये.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all will be good. So, my name is Afsha, and I'm student of 11th standard. Today, we all have gathered here for doing a debate. That is in the regard of online business versus offline business. So, I'm going to speak in the favor of online business. Before starting, I would like to say one thing, that there is nothing in this world which we can get very easily. For getting everything, we need to do hard work. That is about online work and offline work. We have to do hard work. So now let's talk about that. What are the reasons behind it? Why I'm in the favor of online business? First of all, as I think that you wouldn't have any idea, your all needs are being completed with the help of only online business. Like a lot of people are here, like they want to, like if you want to purchase fresh vegetables, your clothes, okay, your daily life things, and fresh milk, like country light milk, whatever you want to purchase. So with the help of online business, you can purchase. It means in your daily life, all the needs are being completed with the help of only online business. So how can you claim this thing, and how can you say this thing that there is no any kind of use of online business? So sister, please remove this misconception from your mind that there is no any kind of advantage of the online business. Okay,
This sister, you are asking.
every sister.
We are able to notice about it.
Yes. Very also because I have two plates that.
Okay.
And it's school dress as well, that's why.
So, in my perception, offline business is far better than online business. As Afsha sister counted me that at any cost, online business is better. But in my perception, online business is nothing front of me, because if we are getting something, so because of online business, we are getting in this generation. First of all, we are doing offline business, then we are doing online business. Do you know, sister? First of all, I want to make you count that in India, just I am talking about in India, of people are 60 and 70% people are doing offline shopping. Why? Because they are getting benefit in offline shopping. And bargaining is possible, where in offline shopping is bargaining is possible. And in rural areas, if I talk about in rural areas, little shopkeeper are able to earn money and are able to get food with the help of offline business, not with the help of online business. And it's not piece of cake to start up online business, because we need internet. And it's not piece of cake to get internet at this time, because internet is very costly at this time. And nowadays everything is costly. And do you know that on online platform we have to upload a picture of our product well. So for that we need costly mobile phone as well. So I think that online business is costly as I compare to offline business. In offline business, we don't need to collect the picture of our product, and we don't need to say to people. We don't need to say to people that this is the thing. They will come to your shop, they will test the product, and they will see by themselves. You don't have to tell them anything.
Okay, as according to my opponent, she is talking about that according to her, there is nothing online business. Why? Because we cannot check the quality of our product. First of all, sister, same thing Rukaiya was mentioning here, that in the online business we cannot check the quality of any product. So it's not like this. Whenever we order any product, so there are a lot of results of that product, like people have uploaded their video.
Sister, do you know?
Quality of that product. By getting that thing, you can get to know that what can be the quality of that product, and if that according to the price, quality matters. if your price would be here, so your quality also would be here.
So you are also right, sister. But do you know nowadays people are getting review with the help of payment? What happens that they put card in their packet, whatever they ordered in that packet, they put a card that message on this number, and they said that I will payment you this much money, and you have to click some picture and you have to give best review. Like this, they purchase the review nowadays, and it has happened with many people. People are getting review with the help of money. So what is the need of offline business if they are getting review with the help of money? Yeah.
Need of offline business.
Because they are getting everything with the help of money. It means they are also getting less in their business. Lose.
Yeah, I do agree here. So now let me answer.
Everything is
here. That as before starting told you that this thing, I think there is anything which we can get very easily and very quickly. Okay.
Yeah, it's also.
But product we can purchase and we can buy very easily with the help of online business.
But
I suppose that if like I want to purchase this dress and this dress is not available in our market, so where will I go? From where will I complete my desire?
it's not like this that you will in Nastabad you can get everything you can. Yeah, you can get.
Sir was telling that this mic I cannot get from the Mustafabad market. So how?
So you can go to Silampur, you can go to other areas.
So why do we need to go in the other areas when we have first option, the online business? Why
You have first option, but that option is not good.
Why should we go to other markets when we have online option? We can purchase anything by sitting at home. So why do we need to go outside?
But there is trust issue. You don't have trust.
Okay. And first of all, one thing I would like to mention here, that is about if you want to start your offline business, so only in a specific era you can start. But you cannot start, you cannot sell your products out of the country or the state era.
Everyone is mentioning
Yeah.
in your